Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix failed to load Xgameruntime.dll error code 126 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. Press enter. Copy the second command and paste it and press enter. Copy the third command and paste it and press enter. Select the get option and install the gaming services. After installing the gaming services, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can open the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.